Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility, and we're going to learn about the nav element. So the nav element was introduced in HTML5, and the purpose of it is to show a navigation bar. And a navigation bar is usually when it's like up here. Let me move my face up here with like different links. Traditionally, you see it in the top of the page. And it wanted to make an emphasis that sometimes we see this navigation bar in the bottom of the page as well. But if it's on the bottom of the page, we want to use a footer. So for this exercise, it wants to change the Camper Cat included navigation links at the top of its training page, but wrap them in a div. Change the div to a nav tag to improve the accessibility on its page. So here we have the header. And then where does it close? And then inside of it, we have a div that's supposed to be a nav. So here's a div, and we can just change that to nav. And that should be it. Thank you so much.